In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Jotform data to Excel. If you're managing forms and collecting data through Jotform, you might reach a point where you need to analyze or process this information in Excel. Luckily, Jotform makes it incredibly straightforward to export your data for further use. Let's walk through the simple steps required to get your information from Jotform into an Excel spreadsheet. First, you need to navigate to your My Forms dashboard. This is your central hub where all your Jotforms reside, making it easy to find and manage the ones you're working with. Once you're on the dashboard, you need to locate the specific form whose data you want to export. Hover over the form name to reveal additional options. One of these will be Submissions Tables. Click on it to open Jotform Tables, which is where all the responses to your form are neatly organized. Inside Jotform Tables, you will see all the submissions listed. The next step is to find the download button. This is represented by a down arrow icon, so it should be easily recognizable. Click on this download button. A small menu will appear, presenting you with a few different options for downloading your data. For the purpose of exporting to Excel, you should select Download as Excel. Once you select Download as Excel, Jotform will prepare a file for you. This file will be in the .xlsx format, which is the standard format for Excel files. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a couple of moments, but generally it's quite fast. When the file is ready, it will automatically be downloaded onto your computer. And there you have it. You now have a comprehensive spreadsheet containing all your form submissions. This Excel file will include every detail captured through your form, making it perfect for any further analysis or data processing you wish to perform. Remember, this file can be opened not only in Excel but also in other spreadsheet software, should you prefer alternatives like Google Sheets or Apple Numbers. To ensure the process goes smoothly, always double-check your internet connection, as a stable connection is vital for downloading files efficiently. Additionally, if you have a large dataset, ensure that your computer has enough storage space to accommodate the file size. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your Jotform data into a format that's flexible, reliable, and ready to meet your analysis needs. Now, you can dive into your data, generate insights, and make informed decisions with ease. Happy analyzing!